Hi, I'm Shruti. Very delighted to be a part of VVP on their Mothers on Duty program. I'm a proud mother of Aisha from 1A ICSE. Uh, it was like 3 years that she was asking me, please come, please come. Today I really witnessed something very special. We think, it's just, they go to school, come back, but the kind of effort, the teachers and the staff, the support staff, the sports teachers take to engage the kids from morning till evening. It's kudos to them. And every single part of the school is something which I'm very impressed about. Although I didn't get to see the assembly today because of the weather, like how they start the day, how the kids are encouraged to speak inside the class, which I'm sure, at my time we didn't have much. It was a lot of discipline. But here, there's a very sweet balance between, discipline and the freedom to speak for the kids. Because no kids will go to a teacher and talk about their feelings if they're not encouraged about their freedom, which VVP is doing very beautifully. And the culture, right from the security to the aunties to the teachers, and looking at them, the students, the namaste culture is something which will stay very close to me for a very long time. Every single little kid saying namaste ma'am is it's truly special. And regarding teaching, they are very engaged in class. Every kid is given equal opportunity to speak, equal opportunity to learn. Kids, teachers correct them in a very nice motherly way. And regarding sports, the facilities are incredible. At my time we had just a ground and you play whatever you want to play, but here the focus is so niche. Swimming is amazing. Although I was very concerned before, now all my concerns are away, and I'm going to encourage my daughter to swim more. And badminton, skating, taekwondo, every sport, kids get to choose what they want. It's not a compulsion that you're going to play only one sport. They explore a lot of things, and it's just not done in a normal way. It's very dedicated teachers who are expertise in this particular sport who train them, so they get to learn from the best. And very happy with the academic and the sports balance what the school has. And regarding the kitchen, I was mind blown by the hygiene what they maintained in the kitchen, right from the rotis, how it is made, how the sambar is made, sabzi is made, very hygienic. And there's a admin staff who comes 2-3 hours before to taste every little dish, so that it only the right thing goes and reaches the kids. And the culture of all of them eating together along with the teachers is truly incredible. I have to mention this. There was a child who was sitting and he didn't wanted to mix, but the class teacher had already started her food. He said, "Ma'am, can you mix it for me?" It was so kind of her to go back, wash her hands, come back, mix it for him. And many teachers feeding the kids when some kids are, not feeling well, or they don't want to eat or something. It was too motherly approach. We didn't see like a different staff room where teachers are eating and kids are eating separately. No, it was just like a family, like how we sit together at home and eat. So that gave a sense of a kindness which is in every step of VVP. So I'm very happy mother today, that my daughter is in safe hands. And one thing which I will definitely take away from here is the culture what they have, and the right balance what they have between academic and sports, and the kindness in every single staff which I've met. They're too kind. Also, there's a program called Sahyog where I had enrolled to teach a particular class. So I took a class for 1D, a primary class with a basic EVS about clothing, which kind of is my profession. The interaction with the kids, the innocence what they have, the cheerfulness in the class is something which will stay with me for a very long time. A break from my corporate life for a day, but the memories will stay with me forever. And to control 30 engineers, I've done it for a long time. It was easy to control 30 engineers, but to control 30 kids in school takes a lot of love, lot of patience and hard work. And I truly appreciate the staff for doing everything what they're doing to, you know, shape these beautiful minds to become something great in future in the society. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for, you know, inviting me to be a part of this program. I really wish you call in future, you call it as a parents day on duty, parents on duty, so that you know, even fathers get an equal chance to witness something magical like this. Thank you.